say that you just got your Meta AI glasses, how do you actually go ahead and connect it to WhatsApp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the Meta AI app, then click on the three lines in the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on the gear icon next to the glasses which you want to connect to WhatsApp. Click on Communicate Hands-Free, then click on Connect next to where it says WhatsApp. So it's going to go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do so, you can see that it's going to go ahead and prompt you to open up WhatsApp here. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect WhatsApp to your Meta AI glass. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.